Hello friends, the cause of engine overheating. An insufficient amount of antifreeze impairs the cooling of the upper, hottest part of the engine, the cylinder heat, and then leads to a complete cessation of fluid circulation. Thermostat is the closed position will not allow fluid to circulate through the radiator and cool. The coolant pump may stop rotation due to the broken drive belt. It happens that corrosion eats the impeller's blades or it started to rotate on the shaft. The motor may overheat if the radiator cooling fan does not work. There are several reasons. The electric motor, the switch on relay, or the sensor are out of order. The wiring is damaged. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.